Welcome. If you've decided you want to buy crypto but have no idea where to actually start, this video is for you. Today we're going through the exact steps to set up your first crypto app, from choosing the right platform to making your account secure before you put in a single dollar. First, let's talk about what a crypto app actually is. It's called a centralized exchange, or CX. Think of it like an online broker, but for crypto. You sign up, verify your identity, deposit money, and buy. The most trusted names globally are Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance. Each country has slightly different options, and we'll cover those shortly. Before you download anything, here's a quick checklist. Is the exchange regulated in your country? Does it have two-factor authentication? Is it listed on official app stores only? And does it have a track record, not something that launched last month? If it passes all four, you're in safe territory. Let's go country by country. In the USA, the top choices are Coinbase, Kraken, and Gemini, all regulated and beginner-friendly. Coinbase is the most popular starting point for Americans because of its clean interface and strong compliance record. In the UK, Coinbase and Kraken are both registered with the FCA. Kraken is particularly popular in the UK for its lower fees. Always check the FCA register before using any platform, the link is free and public. In Canada, Coinbase and Kraken work well. Newton is a popular Canada-only exchange with zero trading fees and strong local support. In Australia, CoinSpot and SWIFTX are the most trusted locally registered options, both regulated under AUSTRAC. In India, the top regulated exchanges are CoinDCX, WazirX, and CoinSwitch. These are registered under India's FIU framework. Note that crypto transactions in India are taxed at 30%, so keep records from day one. Now, the sign-up process. Download the app only from the official app store. Never click a link in an email or social media post to download a crypto app. Go to the App Store or Google Play directly and search the name yourself. Step 1. Create your account with a strong unique password. Not something you use anywhere else. Step 2. Verify your identity. This is called KYC, Know Your Customer. You'll need a government ID and sometimes a selfie. This is mandatory on all legitimate platforms and protects you legally. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication immediately. Use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, not SMS if you can help it. SIM swapping is a real threat. This one step blocks the vast majority of account hacks. Step 4. Link your bank account or debit card. Most exchanges accept bank transfers, which have lower fees, and debit cards, which are faster. Start with a bank transfer if you're not in a hurry. Never use a credit card to buy crypto, the interest will cost you more than any gains. Step 5. You're ready. But before you buy anything, spend a day or two just looking at the platform. See where the buy button is. Understand what market price versus limit order means. Get comfortable before real money is involved. One final reminder, the exchange holds your crypto for you, which is convenient but comes with risk. As you grow your holdings, consider moving them to a personal wallet. We covered wallets in yesterday's video, the link is in the description. Stay safe, take it step by step, and we'll see you in the next one.